Hey guys, Linux here. Today I have another video, and today I'm making a video on this game called Era of Terror. It's one of my favorite games that I like to play, and the characters that I usually play as is the Pterodactyl or the Giraffatitan. And I'd say Giraffatitan, in my opinion, is very powerful, although I just killed 6 people right now. Yep, all those dead bodies you see, I killed them, and one just disappeared. I just killed that pterodactyl, cause, yeah, stupid pterodactyl. 1 minute, gotta fix this. Alright, good for you. There's too many role players in this game. I better just kill someone right now. And I missed. Yeah, come a little bit closer. Come a little bit closer. Although I can't reverse, I have to turn my whole body around. I'm doing it the quick way. It's bloody deranged. Male. This is gonna take long. And I'm stuck in a tree again. The amount of times I was stuck in a tree trying to turn around. I might as well just kill my 7th person right now. And he saw me. Yeah, and also I did change my name from Widefire to Linux on Tunator, cause my cousin finally stopped annoying me. I don't know what that bird was, but I have played it as it before, and I've got back to full health, and now I'm just about to starve to death. And I don't know how to eat as this dinosaur. And this is now becoming discontinued. One of my favorite games. Now I've got lag. Oh, there it is. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 0 does nothing. When will someone come so I can finally... Oh, yes, we have a dinosaur over here. We have a dinosaur over here. And I killed him. He came to the right angle. I squashed this dinosaur. I feel like I'm the king of the jungle. I'm as high as a tree. This tree right here. Not really. I wonder why they call it a Giraffatitan. Because it is as tall as a giraffe. Got the neck of a giraffe. Yep. I'm so powerful that I see another challenger coming nearby. I bet I'll just go off and decide to kill them. I feel like I'm turning the wrong way. And I was. Giraffe Titans are the best dinosaurs you should play with. Just weave through the tree. Weave! Not what? Never mind. At least you managed to get past the trees. Alright, this way. And you're gonna kill that Tyrannosaurus Rex. Just a sneak attack. Then the Tyrannosaurus Rex will be dead. I killed 2 people! I killed 2 people at once! This is like one of the craziest days. 'Cause I killed 2 people at the same time. You killed me. Thanks. Ha! I need to choose other. What? Choose other. This lag is getting terrible, isn't it? My gosh. Let's go kill this other dinosaur then, because my moves are so powerful. Yeah, Giraffe Titan is probably the most powerfulest dinosaur in this game. Because of its powerful tail, gets to kill people. And it's got a very high health points, basically. And it kills dinosaurs. Just one shot, it can kill. You can kill dozens of dinosaurs. Not the tree, not the tree. Not the tree. I'm stuck. Never mind. I will never get changed from a Giraffe Titan to the Pterodactyl. Because I don't want to. Or the Pterodon, as you might call it. But this dinosaur is probably very powerful. I'll play School of Dragons soon. And I've just watched How to Train a Dragon 3 trailer. And it's actually quite cool. And the last part when Toothless gets zapped by lightning, I didn't know what would happen to Toothless. You should go watch the trailer for yourself. This is probably the best game I've ever played. Let's go kill some more guys. Alright, let's go. Oh, there's a dinosaur! There's a dinosaur! Come here, you little Never mind. There's another one. You thought you'd come to attack me, eh? Look, I bet he's gonna come back now. Never mind. There is a dinosaur. Look, this guy's been trying to attack me, but I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. 'Cause I'm the best dinosaur. Let's see if F2 works. The heck? Don't know what these are. I will kill you with my powerful tail. I missed. What the heck? The dinosaur just sat down all of a sudden. Alright, I'm gonna kill you, you stupid, annoying bird. What I missed? This evil game! Ugh! I was so close. Again. I put on. Come on, let's go kill this Tyrannosaurus Rex. Come on, we have to kill this Tyrannosaurus Rex. Please. Just kill the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Or I'll just press J to reset. Or even K. I'll just press K to reset. Because this game is like... Don't know. I'll be back! Alright, I'm back, and I'm this dinosaur. Because I love to play this as well. Because I love flying. And I always get lag when I fly with this. It's not like all the time, but this dinosaur can't roar. Even when I press the number keys, but it does do a bite, and it can fly too. But I don't know its, like, primal attack though. I only know this. There is a lot of them. Alright, I better fly this way and try to attack it again. Miss. Alright, this is like getting quite laggy now. Let me just attack. I hit a tree, didn't I? Yep, I hit a tree, I think. Alright. Well, that dinosaur's dead. This game is fun. I missed again. Please don't kill me. I've been trying to kill someone all this time with this stupid dinosaur, and I've got lag again. I hate lag. Now I've got this. Oh no. Oh dear. This lag is like terrible whenever I start recording on this game. Well, I almost got killed. And I'm stuck in I'm stuck in a tree! Oh! Oh dear! Oh dear! I almost got killed. Look, he's chasing me now. Ah! I'm stuck in the wall! Ah! Ah! Oh, there we go. Well, I'm gonna cut off this video soon. Because I don't know. So I'm going to cut up this video very soon and play as the powerful Giraffe Titan. There we go. A Giraffe Titan. Yeah, I'll be playing as it again soon. After this video's ended, and I'm gonna try attack someone once again. If I find someone. Anyways, Linux Antunator has been recording today a lot of videos, and I hope you like this. Bye. Yep.